Yeah, man. Come from a brush, you know?
Yeah.
Otherwise known as breadfruit. Welcome back to Kelvin and Friends Cook Up. Yeah, man. This one called Cooking With Me. So, yes, guys. Down on the street of Eglinton. You know where we at. Yeah, man. Caribbean Farm Fresh. Yes, guys. So, I'm going to get some stuff. Yeah, man. Come from a brush, you know? Otherwise known as breadfruit. Yes, guys. And we're going to cook up in the kitchen. Yes. At Caribbean Farm Fresh. You guys need to come down here and get your good vegetables, your fruit, straight from yard, straight from Jamaica or from the Caribbean. Yes, guys. So, you know, so we'll make up some good dish. Yeah. Breadfruit. Yes, guys. So, you know, so we're there with the chef. And chef, how we have on the menu today? Come see I light up the grill outside. What you have on the menu?
Jerk chicken as usual with roast breadfruit.
And roast breadfruit?
Yeah.
And then when you do it, every Saturday and every
Friday and every Saturday.
So
we
guys,
start do it like sometime of the week from Wednesday, Thursdays.
Yeah.
But you know time kind of cool people now really show about you know, so
yes.
Friday, Saturdays, you know.
See that, guys? So you can come down to Farm Fresh, Caribbean Farm Fresh, and get your jerk chicken and roast breadfruit.
Yeah.
But wait, you don't have soup too?
Yeah, man, we have soup. Every day is a different soup. So based on the days when they come, for today Saturday,
yeah,
we are red pea soup with your salt beef and your chicken food. Some days they come and get chicken soup, you get fish tea, depends on when you're rolling.
See that, guys? And outside so cool. This is what you need in your system right now, some good soup.
Yeah, man, keep your body warm.
Alright, so you know me have my brush. I'm gonna cook it later on.
Alright.
Bless up, chef.
Start the first set.
Yeah, I say. Look here, guys. Well seasoned down.
Gosh, well seasoned.
So
take off the excess seasoning.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. They say they can come down here and get them jerk chicken.
Yes.
Man. See there?
We run straight up till 8:39. So
8:39 night.
yes.
See that, guys?
No rush. So if they are working and so now get none.
Yes.
Now come after.
Look at that. Yeah, man. Yeah, some good jerk chicken. So you say just go and make that one. Simmer down on it. Yeah.
Soaking and catching color.
Yeah.
Flip it.
Look at that, guys. Yeah. Yes, guys, so you see, you can come down by Caribbean Farm Fresh and get your jerk chicken, your soup, and a whole day like this. This is what you need. Yeah, man. Caribbean Farm Fresh. Yes, guys, as you see, I get my stuff. So you know we're gonna head in the kitchen right now. So you'll see me in the kitchen. Yeah. Alright, guys. As you can see, we're in the kitchen right now. And have my breadfruit here with me when we pick up at Caribbean Farm Fresh. And today I'm gonna cook some breadfruit and some curry chicken back. Already washed, clean, just ready to season and cook. Yeah, so alright, so let me show you how I prepare my breadfruit. Alright, guys, you know, so when you get your breadfruit, you have to make sure so you wash it off, right? Yeah, man. See all these stuff, that's all the stain, because when you pick the breadfruit, they have the stain. Yeah. Yes, guys, you have to make sure you wash your breadfruit. Right now, this is the stem. You know, so I'm gonna try to remove the stem. Yeah, man. Can't use a knife, you know. I could use a knife and take it out, but so now, wash and ready. So now I'm just gonna put it in the pot and let it go and steam down. Alright. Alright guys, so see, I have the water here. So now, yeah man, I'm just gonna leave it in the pot like that and make it go and steam down. Yeah. Alright guys, as you can see right now, I have my chicken back here, wash, clean, ready to season. Yes. Make sure so you wash off the vegetables in it, guys. Yeah, man. See? Ready to go. Right here, you can see I have all my season right here. As you can see, the bell pepper. Yeah man, otherwise known as sweet pepper. And then my onion right here. And then all my scallion right here. Red root to it, red root guys, so I give it good flavor. And my ginger, garlic, and some thyme. Alright? Yeah. Yes guys, so add some curry. Yeah man, add some curry on it. Yeah, look at that guys. And you know that curry is better pack curry too. So you know that's a good curry from Jamaica, better pack. Yes guys, so right now I'm just gonna add some season on it. Yeah man. Yeah. Put my ginger. You see, as you can see how I crush up the ginger, right? Yeah man, put some more. Yeah. A bit of thyme. Yes guys, so and then add some garlic. Yeah. See? Smell it already. The flavor come from that, all the season and all the spices that I put on it. Smell the curry. Yes guys, find myself a gloves. Yes, and you know when time you're seasoning curry, you have to make sure you wear your gloves, you know? Yes. Because you want to make sure the seasoning go down into the meat, you know? Look at that guys. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, well seasoned. So I'm just going to leave that for a few minutes, make it go and marinate before I put it on. But yes guys, curry chicken back. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to show you how I burn my curry. Yes guys, look at that, the richness on that guys. Yes guys, look at that. Yeah, burn the curry guys. Yeah man. Alright guys, so as you can see, now add my chicken back. Yeah. At that guys. Look at that. Oh yeah. Look at that guys. Look at that. Yeah man. Curry chicken back. Nice. Alright guys, so we'll check on the pot. Wow, look at that guys. Oh gosh. Look at that. So we start spraying it on water. Yeah, man. Look at that. Yeah, man, so go and cover it up. Keep going cook down. Yeah. Alright guys, so right now just gonna add some water to it, and the same bowl that I seasoned the curry chicken back in, I just add some water so make sure I get all the season and all those stuff. So look at that guys. Yeah, nice. So this now, so I'm gonna leave that, let it cook down for a bit, and I'm gonna add some more seasoning to that after. Alright. Yeah. Alright guys, so right now, look at that. Yeah. Look at that guys, look at that. I'm gonna add some rest of season on it, as you can see. Yeah. Yeah man. Look at that. Wow. Yes guys. Look at that guys. Gosh. The aroma will come off of this pot right now. See? Yeah. So yes guys, I know some have to add good hot pepper to give it that flavor. Yes guys. Nice. Look at that. Yeah man, look at that guys. Yeah. Some good curry chicken back, you know. Bring it back a yard. Alright guys, so yeah, look at that. Look at that guys. Huh? Yeah. Yeah man. Right. Curry chicken, good to go. Finish. So we're gonna serve this up now. Alright, yeah. Alright guys, this is the breadfruit here. Alright, so as you can see guys. Yeah, nice and soft. Gosh, look at that guys. Yeah man, I can smell it. Yes. Gosh. Yeah. Look at that guys. The steam just coming off that, you know, it's just freshly cooked. Look at that. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna peel it and get it ready, and then I'm gonna serve it. You're gonna see what the finished dish look like. Yeah. Come like bring me back a Jamaica, you know. These guys. Yeah. Gosh, you have to have your gravy on it, you know. Have to have your gravy. Yeah. Gosh. Yeah. Yes guys, as you can see how we cook my curry chicken back. Yes. And the breadfruit. Right now, time to try it. Yes. And it smells so amazing. Look. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Come closer, come closer. How that look? See it here guys. Can't wait to try that. Can't wait to try that. Oh gosh. Alright, I'll dip into it right away. You see? Breadfruit. Make sure so you have a gravy. Nice. It's really good, guys. It's really good. Look at that, and then you know you have your curry chicken back here. Yeah. Guys, this reminds me like back home in Jamaica. I'm gonna eat some good curry chicken back. Tastes real good. And then as you can see right here, guys, look at this. You have the breadfruit and then you know you have the gravy. Oh gosh. Look at that. Number one. Tastes real good, guys. Real good. Yeah. Put these thyme aside. Put the pepper aside. Look at that. Kind of flavor. Chicken back. You know when they eat chicken back, you know the bone and you got all the flavor in that, guys. Yeah. It's so good. Yes, guys, so right now I'm just gonna go enjoy my food and let me know what you think about this dish and make sure you try it. Yes, curry chicken back with breadfruit. Yes, bring you some yard style, bring you some Jamaican flavor. Yes. Alright guys, so remember Caribbean Farm Fresh. Go down there and check them out. They have all the Caribbean groceries, produce, everything. Guys, I have to go and check them out because they have some nothing but the best from the Caribbean. Yes, and remember, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description, so remember, check it out. Alright guys, so I want you to comment your favorite Jamaican dish or your Caribbean dish or a dish you want to see me cook and I'll try make it. Yes, and remember, if you like what you see, just remember, leave a comment and like, and make sure you tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. Subscribe, because we have some great, good content coming to you guys. Have a blessed day. Bless.